Okay, be honest. Have you ever checked your bank account and thought, wait, where did all my money go? I know that feeling. Most of us aren't bad with money because we don't earn enough. It's because we make the same small mistakes over and over. So today, let's talk about the 5 biggest mistakes people make with money, and more importantly, how you can avoid them. If you stick with me until the end, you'll already be ahead of most people financially. Here's the thing, you can't manage what you don't measure. Most people think they know how much they spend, but when they actually track it, huge surprise. Those $5 coffees, $10 late-night food deliveries, or random Amazon orders, they add up. Let's say you spend $5 a day on coffee. That's $150 a month, or $1,800 a year. That's basically a brand new laptop or a vacation you just sipped away. The fix? Track your spending for 30 days. You don't need fancy software. Even a simple app like Google Sheet will do. The point is to shine a light on where your money actually goes. Because once you see it, you'll start making better choices automatically. Credit cards can be your best friend or your worst enemy. If you're only paying the minimum balance, you're basically feeding the bank free money. Example, let's say you owe $1,000 on a card at 24% interest. If you just pay the minimum, it could take 7 years to pay off, and you'll end up spending almost another $1,000 in interest. That $1,000 purchase turns into $2,000. The fix? Use credit like a tool. Pay it off in full every month. And if you already have debt, focus on the highest interest balance first. It's like putting out the biggest fire before it spreads. Life happens. Cars break down, phones die, medical bills appear out of nowhere. Without an emergency fund, most people panic and end up swiping the credit card, digging themselves deeper into debt. Imagine you lose your job tomorrow. If your monthly expenses are $1,500 and you have zero savings, you're in trouble. But if you've built even a $3,000 emergency fund, that gives you 2 months to breathe, look for work, and make smart decisions. The fix? Start small. Save your first $500 as fast as you can, then aim for 3 to 6 months of expenses. Keep it in a separate savings account so it's there when you really need it, not when you're tempted to buy something online. Now here's a mistake that's sneaky. Saving money is good, but if that's all you do, inflation quietly steals your cash. At 3% inflation, $10,000 today will feel like just $5,500 in 20 years. Ouch! That's where investing comes in. It's not about gambling or day trading, it's about putting your money to work. Let's say you invest $100 a month into an index fund that averages 7% growth. After 10 years, you'll have around $17,000. After 20 years, $52,000. After 30 years, over $118,000. That's the magic of compound interest. The fix? Don't wait for the perfect time. Start small. Even $50 a month matters because time in the market beats timing the market. This one's sneaky too. Lifestyle inflation happens when every raise equals spending more. You get a better job, suddenly you deserve a nicer car, a bigger apartment, more expensive dinners. The problem? Your expenses rise as fast as your income, so you never actually feel richer. Let's say you make $3,000 a month and spend $2,500. You get a raise to $4,000. If you keep your lifestyle the same, you could save $1,500 every month. That's $18,000 a year. But if you upgrade everything, maybe you're only saving $200 more. Big difference. The fix? Commit to saving or investing at least half of every raise. That way, your lifestyle improves and your wealth grows. So, those are the 5 mistakes. Not tracking your spending, living on credit, no emergency fund, only saving, not investing, lifestyle inflation. The truth is, you don't need to be perfect with money. You just need to avoid these traps and be consistent. Let me know in the comments which of these mistakes you've made before. I'll admit I've been guilty of at least two. If this was helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more finance tips, and remember, managing money isn't about having more, it's about making the most of what you already have.